All right, guys. All right, so my baby girl came to see me, and her car didn't pass inspection in Maryland because it had a few issues like the headlights. They can't see through the headlights, so I already did this side. We got that side looking crispy. But this is what it looked like before. You know, hazy and cloudy. Got the fog lights done. I did the fogs. Too. You know, did the fogs too. And we're gonna do the engine mounts. My baby needs engine mounts, transmission mounts. So we're gonna do all that work for the baby girl. And then we're gonna send her back on home. Say hi to the baby girl. Hi, baby girl. She doesn't like, you know, the world. But it's okay because she has to deal with it. Are you liking your new headlights, boo? They looking great? Amazing, she says. She doesn't want to be a part of the process. It's fucking freezing out here, just so you guys know. It's cold. But I'm working, guys. I'm working out here. Working on my baby's headlights. Let's go ahead and get this thing going. I need to charge my drill. Just, you know, just taking it easy, you know, just cooling. Just cooling, so, you know. And we got ourselves a brand new headlight, baby. A new brand headlight. Look at that. A new brand headlight. Now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna spin it in the other direction. It's too windy out here for me to hit it with the clear coat spray. So I'm gonna have to go to the auto parts store and get the clear coat liquid. The liquid clear coat. Yo, that shit looks sweet. It's a brand new fucking headlight. Brand new headlight, baby. I meant to do this shit for the last time she was here, but I couldn't find my kit. I couldn't find my products. I ain't even saying this headlight. Baby? Hi, baby. What you doing, baby? What you doing, baby? That's a brand new fucking headlight, boy. Holy shit. Look at that shit. Nice. Yep, that's what it is. What do you think, guys? All right, y'all. Indomitable, baby. Can't stop me. Right, Bray? Bring me that ball. Bring the ball. Where's the ball? Go get the ball. Look at the baby. Put his hat on his head. It's cold out here, y'all. All right, guys. We'll be back later. Church.